Welcome back to MitchEllaCo, your #1 travel channel. And today we find ourselves in Zion, Utah at the Red Cliff Lodge, Zion. We are touring you around this #1 hotel for when you visit Zion. We did our research, we looked around, and this is the place to stay. We will show you the whole room, all the amenities, and the surrounding areas. We can't wait to get into it. Now, I'll say, the exterior when you drive up is super unassuming. It looks really basic, and I was a little hesitant as I arrived, but as soon as we open these double doors, you can see why the photos online sold me. So it's really intimate when you come in here, and I even want to talk a little bit more quietly, but the check-in desk is behind me, phenomenal customer service. They even price matched my price online when we checked in and made sure everything was smooth. They gave me a map upon arrival because it is extended past this main building, as well as a shuttle schedule from here into the park, which I thought was a great feature. But as you can see, the lobby has so much character, and there is another room behind you that I want to show. And then the sitting area, it's very lounge-esque, like grab a drink after your long day of hiking, you're exploring of the national park, hang out here. We have the seating area with the fireplace. It is about 82 degrees right now, but I'm sure it gets much cooler, obviously, in the desert at night, where you can come in and enjoy yourself. We even have this expansive area. I wasn't picturing people with their giant families on road trips eating in this dining room that's like off the lobby, but you could also bring your laptop and work a little bit remotely. The Wi-Fi is a little touch and go, but it's solid once you get their Wi-Fi password. So we have a restaurant built in, so you don't have to leave the hotel once you get into town, but I will make note this is completely walkable to all the surrounding areas. If you want to walk and go get dessert, restaurants, or souvenirs, it's a great destination location off of Springdale, which is the city we're in. But behind me, we have the restaurant, the Scout Bar and Grill. It is as gorgeous as the lobby is. You could sit here, or you could sit here, or you could sit here, or you could sit at the bar top. We are still in the Scout Bar and Grill, but this is the next room over. I want to say this is where you get breakfast in the morning before you hit the road. Open early, and it looks like a great menu. I mean, it smells like it would taste phenomenal. We've made it to my favorite part, the snack zone. This one looks a little bit more scarce, but I think that lends itself to the luxury where there's only a few things to choose from. There are no prices, so purchase at your own risk, but ice cream bars, water bottles, even reusable water bottles. And technically last night there was 2 more, so you know someone bought them. And a microwave. So there are snacks on site, but again, the walkability, you can just Google something that's really well rated, take a 5-minute walk and go pick it up and bring it back. Wow, this place seems brand new, and it's got a special echo as well. But we have a couple cardio machines in this nook. More cardio machines behind me. There's even a Peloton in the distance if you're not getting your outdoor exercise. I guess maybe if the weather turns bad. Weights, it's fully stocked. The only thing that is missing is a water machine. That's my one complaint, guys. I need to get my water bottle refilled. Okay, if you're true to the blue road trip status and you need to do your laundry, this place has a complimentary guest laundromat. And the smell matches.
Coin operated.
Coin operated, yes.
Yeah.
But there's a exchange thing right behind you. Wow, we have made it to the extremely bright outdoors, to the best area of this hotel, the pool. We have the hot tub right here, and the pool in the distance. So many great interactive waterfalls and mushrooms and water features to play with. There's also umbrellas. I don't think you have to buy anything, but there are cabanas behind us as well. I don't know the prices. maybe it's a little first come, first serve, but the real spectacular thing of this pool is the view. It was so clear last night. Maybe you can see a little red rocks peeking through the mountainside, but it's just encompassed by this wall of national park goodness. The question is, does Zion bring you here or does the hotel? Because the views behind us are absolutely mesmerizing. It is a crazy kind of natural beauty. It's even hazy today. It was so crisp in the evening watching the sun go down. Absolutely an experience. So if you are coming to Zion, why you would choose this hotel, again, would be it's encompassed in all of the red rocks. And it's good from this angle. It's also good from this angle. And of course, this angle. It's got my heart, guys. Okay, like I mentioned, the lobby is its own mecca with the restaurant built off of it, and then each of the room sections, they're like 100, 200, 300, are like what you see behind me. They're their own units. One of Mitch's rules when we're booking hotels is that the door can't be facing the outside because it's like the token sign of a motel. This is not it, guys. This is just because they want you to take in how beautiful it is here. So a lot of them come with little patio seating areas. Ours did not, probably why we got such a great price, which we will tell you shortly, but it is more in nature with all the greenery. You know, you're experiencing it. You're probably this person that will enjoy
more
it.
Like all the rockery instead of greenery.
Rockery, yeah. There's actually greenery more than the Grand Canyon, so it's making it come alive to me. I'll also make a note that there are outdoor fireplaces that come alive at night. There was a huge family out here last night. There's another one off the lobby and a couple more around the pool area. So if you wanted to leave the extraordinary room here and just take nature in a little bit more, this is where you head. Welcome to room 111. We are right off the main lobby, but I'll bring you into the most stunning, well-decorated room we have stayed in a while, and that's saying something. We have a couch and a seating area with all these different levels of tables and accent chairs and accent art. I love it. It is definitely the Zion deserty feel. We have a huge king bed that I will tell you what, is so comfortable. This is better than the last 4 hotels we've stayed at, and the pillows, the sheets, everything is very high quality. We have the headboard that's leather in the back, but we also have the plugs built in. Pinnacle of luxury right there. The lighting fixtures, nice accent art as well, and then some kind of bunny hanging out. I found the full-length mirror. That's all you need in this room. Extra seating area to plop your suitcases down. A decent size TV, as well as, I want to say, fridge in here. And that is all. So you can unpack in there. We have a legit Nespresso machine, which Mitch enjoyed this morning. That is the first one we've seen in a long time as well. A nice little work area, another mirror. I love the details that went into all the accessories in this room, but you gotta check out this bathroom. Wait, all the lights. Okay, we have one giant mirror here, as well as the different shelves. We have towels for makeup. The fan goes. Moisturizer, your blow dryer, but it's just a really big vanity to spread out on. And then the copper tile detail of the shower, as well as an overhead shower, and we have your toiletries down below. We did stay here, so not gonna lie, it's used, but it's stunning. Okay, final thoughts, guys. This is the Red Cliff Lodge. It is owned by Marriott, so trustworthy brand, and we have really enjoyed our time here. It was a happy surprise when we were doing our research, and we had just left the Grand Canyon. Make sure you check out that hotel review and that day trip from Phoenix as well. Great videos, but when you think of the Grand Canyon and those hotels, it was a lot more inexpensive, but and less to choose from. This has a wider variety, but it's definitely more expensive. So this is a great value for what it is and what you get. Technically it's the 3-star. We think it's 4 or 5 stars in the quality, but the drum roll of how much it costs us, it was about $250, which I know is a little bit more than a budget hotel, but for that extra difference of $50 to $60, you get all of this. We believe it's worth it. We believe this is your hotel when you come to Zion. We believe you should book it. And also make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you as we make our way through Zion to all the national parks. We have a whole road trip planned for you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for all the episodes.